Today student, I will start number system in class 9. In a number system there are following number, but we are discuss some main number. This is the first of all natural number. Natural number, and it can be denoted by capital N, and the number started from 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the called natural number. Second, whole number. In this number can be denoted by capital W, and the number started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called whole number. It means in natural number included with 0, that's called whole number. And after this we discuss real number. Real number, the rational and irrational number. Rational number first, and second irrational number. Real number is a collection of the rational number and irrational number. Otherwise we can say that all number, that's called real number. First discuss rational number. Rational number, a form P by Q. There one condition, Q not equal to 0, and P Q belong करेगा इंटीजर को और Z. मतलब P and Q क्या रहेंगे? बोथ आर इंटीजर. are called rational number. Rational number. Okay. 3 by 5 minus 7 by 8 minus 3, because 1 is denominator and 0 is also rational number, because this is their denominator is always 1, but 1 by 0, this is not rational number because Q is a denominator. Here Q, value of Q so equal 0, but according to condition Q in a rational number, Q not equal to 0, so this is not rational number. And there one thing, P and Q both are integer. This is the integer. P and Q both are integer, so I will discuss about integer. Integer, it can be denoted by I or Z. So integer is we can say, look at this number line here, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 here. So this is a positive number, and this is called positive integer. Positive number, so this is called positive integer, and here negative number, so this is called a negative integer. And 0, that is also, it is not in negative nor positive. So this is the definition of the rational number. Rational number is form P by Q, where Q not equal to 0, and P and Q both are integer, so this is called a rational number. And rational number, there are two types. फिर rational decimal होते हैं. Rational decimal, there are two types. Terminating decimal, and second thing, they are decimal, non-terminating decimal. Otherwise it can be also called recurring decimal. recurring decimal, and otherwise it is also called repeating decimal. So first of all we discuss about the terminating decimal. In a terminating decimal, their number it comes to end. A rational number that's come to end, that's called rational terminating decimal. जैसे फर्स्ट मतलब if form p by q and q is belong to 2 p m into 5 p n, where m n belong to whole number. So this is called terminating decimal. Emanating decimal. Example, in a terminating decimal, after division they are come to end with 0. For example, we take 1 by 5, 2 by 10, 3 by 20. So if 1 divided by 5 and here decimal 0, 5 to 10. Love that's come to end 0. Their remainder becomes 0. So this is called the terminating decimal, and it is the form of 2 into 5. मतलब कि irrational number, their denominator are factor of 2 and 5 only. So this is called the terminating decimal. After this non-terminating, next second non-terminating decimal. In this model a form p by q, and q this is not belong to 2 raised power m into 5 raised power n. मतलब it cannot be in this form, या फिर otherwise the rational number after division it cannot become with 0. That's called non-terminating or recurring decimal, or after some time they are repeated. So this is for example 1 by 3, 1 by 15. In this number here 3 and 5, but only one extra number. In this number if we divide by 1 divided by 3, decimal, write down decimal, 3 times 9, 1 after 3, 9, 3. Well, it cannot be end with 0. That is repeated 3 more time, once time 3. So write down 0.3. This is the terminating decimal or repeating, because after some place they are repeated. And second is irrational number, a number which is neither terminating nor repeating are called irrational number. It means a number which is neither terminating nor repeating, that's called irrational number. Otherwise we can say that it is not rational number, so it's called irrational number. And for example root 3, root 5, root 7, and this number is not repeating, non-terminating. In this way we can find n rational number between any two rational number. In general, between any two rational number we can find infinitely many rational number, but d be any number and d is equal to y minus x, y and x be any two rational number, and n plus 1, n would means we can find n rational number. Here the one condition, y is greater than x. So n rational number between x and y are x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, dot dot dot, x plus n d. Now we saw some example. First rational number 1 by 3 and second is 2 by 5. So first of all we search which is are greater compare two numbers. So for finding which are greater, so for first of all finding LCM of 3 and 5, LCM of 3 and 5 is 15, and show in this way 1 by 3 multiply and divide by 15, 3 5 ja 15, 5 by 15, and 2 by 15 into 2 by 5 into 15 by 15, 5 3 ja 15, and 6 by 15. So in this way, this is your number. 2 by 5 is greater than 1 by 3. So we take 2 by 5 as a y and 1 by 3 as a x. And then we after this, and here there one question, find a 4 rational number. 4 rational number. Here we want to find 4 rational number between 1 by 3 and 2 by 5. So use this formula. First of all, find D. So use formula D. D is equal to 1 y minus x by n plus 1. Here value of y is 2 by 5 and value of x is 1 by 3 and value of n. But we want to find number of rational number between two rational number. So after this, D is equal to 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3 by 4 plus 1, and here we take LCM of both number is 15, and 6 minus 5 by 5, and here 1 by 15 by 5, here we'll take 1 and this come to here and this is come to here, and here 1 by 5 into 15, this is a 1 by 75. After this we find therefore 4 rational number, 4 rational number between 1 by 3 and 2 by 5 are, we take a smaller number and then we add D, and the value of D is 1 by, this is the value of D, 1 by 75. So 1 by 75 at next step 1 by 3 plus 2 by 75, and next step 1 by 3 plus 3 by 75, and next step 1 by 3 plus 4 by 75. After solving this term, this is a 75, and here 25 plus 1, 25 plus 2 by 75, and 25 plus 3 by 75, and 25 plus 4 by 75, here 26 by 75, 27 by 75, and 28 by 75, and 29 by 75, and this is the 4, these are the 4 rational number between 1 by 3 and 2 by 5, and this one, and this is the 2 by 5. So this is this belong to this number. In other one method, one easier method, we want to find rational number, 4 rational number between other, there one method 1 by 3 and 2 by 5 between 4 rational number. First of all, we take LCM of 3 and 5, here 15 is LCM, so we multiply by 15 on both number, 1 by 3 into 15 by 15, 3, so this is the 5 by 15, and 2 by 5 multiply by 15 by 15, 5 3, this is the 6. Find a 4 rational number. We want to find a 4 rational number, so we multiply by 5 numerator and denominator. 5 by 15 multiply by 5 by 5, so will comes, and 25 by 75. After this, in the second number, 6 by 15 multiply by 5 by 5, so this is the 30 by 75. We want to find four rational number between 25 by 75 and 30 by 75. So this is the 26 by 75, 27 by 75, 28 between 1 by 3 and 2 by 5. And now we take another example. In the case we have, our question are in decimal form. Find three rational number between 1.5 and 2.5. इन दोनों बीच में अगर निकालना है हमको, first of all x and y. Here x is 1.5 and y is 2.5. Here y is greater than x, so we take the value of d is y minus x by n plus 1, and here value of y 2.5 and value of x 1.5, and n we want to find a number of term, three rational number, so we value of n is 3 plus 1, and after subtraction here 5 means 5 0 and 2 means 1 by 4. This is the value of p. Three rational number between 1.5 and 2.5 are 1.5 plus the value of d is 1 by 4, so 1 by 4. Second 1.5 plus 2 by 4, and third 1.5 plus 3 by 4. Check out plus 1 and 2 by 4 and 6 plus 3 by 4, so is 7 by 4 and 8 by 4 and here 9 by 4. So this is the value. But if you want to find two rational number, if you want to find one rational number between any two rational number, other example, find a rational number between 3 and 5. X plus 5, this is the main. So here 3 plus 5 by 2 and 8 by 2 is equal to 4. Here we can find easy way. If here we want to find a single rational number between any two rational number, then we add and after dividing by 2. And there one important thing, pi and 22 by 7. The value of pi 22 by 7, but if this value and this value, this is if write pi, the value of pi is irrational number. And this is in the form of p by q, and q not equal to 0, so this is rational number. So in this way this topic is completed, and next topic we solve many questions in this form.